Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options, and here you're gonna find the most profitable and straightforward strategies. And today is not gonna be an exception. We are gonna need the following indicators. It's gonna be the ADX and the Kelton channel. And what is remarkable, guys, we don't change anything, we keep settings as they are. The only thing I'm gonna do is to change the color of the moving average just for the comfort, the plus D, the green and red. Okay. So what is about the strategy? Look guys, we got several signals to pay attention to. First of all, we look at the ADX. We are gonna watch the dynamics of the moving average and then go from there. Also, we are gonna watch the touch of the lower and upper boundaries of the Kelton channel. Also, when the price enters the channel, we are gonna play out all this. Also, we are gonna pay attention to the support and resistance zone updating of the local highs and lows. Well, all the currency pairs haven't peaked. There are $167 on the balance. We trade for all the money on a 1 minute time frame as usual, guys. Okay, let's get started. This price moves within the channel. Well, let's see, guys. So I like this one. Let's open a long position right away. I'm gonna explain the principle of trade entry. The first things to notice is that the plus line is at the bottom and we expect a little pullback to the upside. Also, I wanna say that the price hit the support zone here. We see the pullback here, then some upward dynamics, the price entered the channel, after which the price broke through the channel here and broke the channel to the downside. And we're expecting the pullback, and then the price should come back inside the channel again, and basically the correction should be over by now. At least a small pullback will definitely happen. Also, we observe the downtrend here. The pullback should take place, and there it is, guys, exactly as we expected. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. Well, what do we got here? Let's open a short position here. I think we got a perfect trade entry level. And we observe the reversal on the ADX, so a small correction took place. Basically, the moving average in the upper area. Previously, there was a strong upward movement. The price broke through the upper boundary of the channel, and a small correction should follow up. And take a look at this resistance zone, and it's very likely that the rebound will happen. So at least a small correction took place. We count on that. Probably the price is gonna retest the upper boundary of the Kelton channel. So, and yep, look at the inception of the red candle here. There are several seconds left before the closing. And yep, our position has been closed on profits. There are $556 on the balance. Everything is pretty simple, as you can see. I hope you already understood the principle. Well, let's open a short position here. We caught a nice trade entry level. First of all, we see the crossing of the plus and minus moving average on the ADX. The plus line should move down a little bit, I guess, because there was a strong upward dynamics here, strong pullback did happen, after which we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. The false breakout has happened because we see this week, and now we are expecting the price to move lower inside the channel again. A small correction should happen. Even according to logic, we see, I guess, 7 consecutive green candles, and the red candles should show up, guys. Also, pay attention to this important resistance zone. We see the rejection, and now it's not gonna be an exception. And there we go, guys. Our position is in the profits, and we got almost $700 on the balance. Unfortunately, this currency pairs has a low payout rate. I should have been more careful, but it's okay. Let's have a look, guys, and it makes sense to open another short here. We observe a strong bullish move impulse here. We caught a perfect level here. I wanna bring to your attention the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. They are heading upwards, but now we expect some downward dynamics. The plus line should go into a correction. And also we see that the price broke out of the channel here. Previously there was a strong upward dynamics, after which a small correction did happen, and then this pullback again. The local high was updated. And by the way, here is the important resistance zone, and the downward trend should be continued. As simple as that, guys. That's why we opened the short here. And yes, as you can see, our position has been closed in profits, and there is no stop in here. Let's find another currency pair for the most promising trade entry. So I think we open a long position here. First of all, there is crossing of the moving average on the ADX. The reversal should take place. And previously there was this downward dynamics, after which a pullback should happen. Also, the price broke through the lower boundary of the Kelton channel, and also here we have this strong support zone. Then a small pullback is likely to happen. The price is gonna come back inside the channel. Let's see, guys, and yep, the breakout is happening right now. Here is the green candle, and we got a bunch of signals. This pullback should happen, and there it is, guys. And let's see, guys. And our position is in a profit. The price enters the channel again exactly as we predicted, and we got $2,000 on our balance. Let's continue the trading session. Okay, let's open two short position here. This currency pairs has a good payout rate. And if you look at the ADX, we see the crossing of the moving average, so we expect to see the reversal. Basically, we observe the sideways trend on the chart in this zone, to be exact. So the trend is identifying. Here is the touch of the upper boundary of the Kelton channel did happen, and the correction should take place now, and the price is gonna continue the sideways movement. and volatility is kind of low here. Basically the upward trend has finished, and now the price is trying to determine its direction, because we see this double bottom pattern here. However, previously there was more upward dynamics, and there we go. Our position have been closed in profits. However, one position ended up with 0. It doesn't matter, no big deal. Let's continue the trading session. We are gonna find another currency pair. We see the inception of the green candle. Let's open our long position here and another $800 position. Let's see, guys. First of all, we see that the minus line is almost at the top, the plus line is at the bottom, so the things should be fixed. The corrections to the upside should happen after all. There was this huge dump. The price broke through the lower boundary of the channel. The price started going down, after which the support level played out, and there were several rebounds in the past, and the same things is gonna happen now. The pullback should happen. And yep, guys, our position have been closed in profits. There is no stopping here. Let's continue making money. Find another promising position entry. Well, what do we got here? I think it makes sense to open a short here. First of all, we see that the ADX moving average is at the bottom. There was the crossing of the plus and minus lines, so then we should definitely observe some downward dynamics in the short term. Basically, we see more sideways movement in this zone. You can see this sideways, and here is the false breakout from the candle channel, after which we should see the correction to the downside. Actually, the touch take place, and the correction followed up every time. So we count on that. We can also point out this resistance zone, and there we go. Our position have been closed in profits. Let's continue, guys, and open our final positions, and then we fix the profit. We have some kind of accumulation zone here, but anyway, it makes sense to open our short position. We got a great entry level here, lucky for us. Take a look at the reversal on the ADX. The ADX moving average is at the peak level now. The correction is gonna happen. Also, minus line is at the bottom, and this should be fixed. The downward dynamics should take place, and I suppose the price reached the support level, and then the price should go into correction, and the price broke out of the candle channel here, and then we see the rebound here, and I guess the price should retest the upper boundary of the candle channel. Look at this perfect trade entry level, and here is the inception of the red candle, and there we go. Our position is in profits. There are $12,000 on our balance. Perfect outcome. and let's withdraw the money. I think it's gonna be an out for today, so let's withdraw the money. I think we withdraw $12,000 and 700. 2 more Bitcoin wallet, and I'm gonna put down the code. Press the continue button. There we go. Our transaction is being processed. I will touch the screen where it's done as usual, guys. Hope you understood how to use this strategy, guys. This one is simple as always. Thanks guys for watching. Press the like buttons, leave the comments down below. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.